Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LCI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, then we can talk levels of resistance. First level of support that really stands out is, and this is by no means some sort of great discovery on my part, but right there at basically the $8 mark. And I bring that up because I don't want to come across like this is some sort of special skill, because I assure you people that use charts, understand charts, have taken notice of that $8 mark. And I say all that because when a lot of people are watching the same area and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some pretty dynamic price movements, and $8 is definitely one of those areas going forward. So you have longs that are going to be watching that area wondering if that's going to hold as support. You have shorts that are watching that wondering, if that does fail as support, could that be a shorting opportunity? So like I said, lots and lots of eyeballs going to be watching $8 as support. So we'll see if the price can hold above it or not. I just want to double check something real quick. Yeah, there we go. So in the event that level does not hold up, the next key level of support would be the former breakout point down here around $7.25. If you go through the history of things, you can see acted as resistance and then acted as resistance a few times there. And I bring all that up because there's a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And very clearly today, 725 was broken above as resistance. So if there is any sort of breakdown through that $8 mark, 725 would be that next key battleground from a support side of things going forward. What about levels of resistance? Nothing fancy here other than the fact of the party really struggled to keep on going whenever it got right up around $8.70. So $8.70 was kind of that party pooper level, and we'll see if the price can eventually work its way back upwards and get through there again. But all in all, going forward, definitely a lot of eyeballs going to remain on this one. So great movement today, great volume. So let's see how this one continues to trade out on the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.